In this video, I want to show you how to pair and connect your Sony headphones that are the WH-CH520 with a Windows PC computer. Step number one, make sure they are turned off. Once they're turned off, you're going to notice the pairing button is actually the power button. You simply have to keep it pressed 5 seconds. Wait 5 seconds and release the button. The blue light will start flashing. Put them aside your PC computer and you may have this message appearing telling you to connect them. This is great. Simply press connect if you see it. But what if you don't get the message? Well, you can still do it. On the PC computer down below, you should see the Bluetooth icon. If you don't see it, press the arrow and select the Bluetooth image icon. Select add Bluetooth device. Add device right on the top here. Select the first option, which is Bluetooth, and your headphones will appear. So usually under 15 seconds, here we go. They're here, tap on them and they will connect. You don't have to download any firmware, any software, any driver. As you see, they're connected with the mic and the audio. So now on your PC, you can open any movies and start listening to music or videos. If you go down below on a Windows computer where you see the speaker icon and you tap on it, you'll be able to see, if you press this icon right over here, that the headphones are currently in usage because they have a small blue label. If you want to switch back to the speakers of your PC, select the audio option right above, which is speakers, and the sound will come out of speakers and you can alternate this way. If you simply want to stop the connection, you can turn them off by pressing the power button during 2 seconds. They will turn off, and the next time you want to use them with your PC, turn them on and you won't have to pair them again. You simply have to go into the speaker over there and select them if it's not automatic. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.